Hey YouTube, man, have I got a funny video for you guys today. I was on the old interweb looking at different products, and I come across this horn from this company called Boom Blasters. And here's their website. I'll go ahead and show it: www.boomblasters.com. And it says perfect for your car, truck, boat, RV, motorcycle, golf cart, or any other 12-volt supplied source. Well, I thought, man, that'd be kind of funny to put on my truck, or, put it on my kayak, or, four-wheel or whatever. And so I got to looking at the website a little bit more, and I started researching all the different sounds that this little horn can make, and I just had to get one. So I reached out to the company. They sent this thing over, and I got it today in my mailbox. And when I went to the mailbox, I wasn't expecting this thing to be in there. I really wasn't. And I have never ever seen such a small box. And you can see that this thing, my hand will fit in there. So that'll give you an idea of just how small this thing is. It's about the size of your fist. But you can see how tiny it is and how tiny the little wires are. And anyways, I opted to get the wireless remote one, and this particular horn plays 4 different preloaded sounds. There's an A, B, C, and D, and there's a different sound for each button that you press, and it's pretty cool. Now the drawback to it is you can't change the sounds. Those are the sounds that are on it when it comes are the ones that you're always going to have. Nothing's going to change. Now they do offer one that is has like a USB port where you can upload a sound from like off your computer onto the horn, and you can pick and choose which one you want. But you only get when you get that particular model, you only get to use one song at a time. You can't choose like 4 different songs at one time. You only get one. But anyways, so there's advantages and disadvantages to both. So I'd say when you order one, make sure that you're gonna like the 4 sounds that you picked when you get it, because you're gonna be stuck with these. So anyways, I ain't gonna keep rambling on about it, but I just wanted to kind of show you just how easy that this thing is to install. Basically, it's just a black wire for your negative, and then a red wire for your positive, and that's it. It's got the wireless remote, and so I guess all the internals for that are on the inside, and so you don't have to mess with nothing else. So I picked a couple of goofy sounds for mine, because I'm a goofy kind of guy. And I've already got this thing hooked up to just a little battery jump starter. It's basically a 12-volt source, and I've just got it sitting here for demonstration purposes. I haven't even had time to hook it up to the truck yet. I just got it in the mail today. So anyways, let me walk across the yard, and well, nah, I guess I can stand right here. I'll back up a little bit so it don't blast my eardrums out, and let you hear the different sounds. The first one is an ice cream truck sound. I just figured I'd do it to be a prankster, because everybody turns around when they hear the ice cream truck. So just bear with it, it's a little loud. You can imagine, if you heard that, you're going to turn around and want an ice cream. You're definitely gonna want an ice cream when you hear that, and so I'm sure everybody that hears that thing will turn around and get a good kick out of it when they see it's a red truck. We're gonna go ahead and hit B. Yeah, I know. Gotta love the Dukes of Hazzard though. And we're gonna do a C. That's a big noise. In case I get pulled over. I know that's retarded. And then we're gonna do D. It's a little lewd, so you know, if you got kids around, cover their ears.
Fuck you and the horse you rode in on.
Yep, you heard that right. F you and the horse you rode in on. I told you, this is goofy. It was just pretty much a novelty. But I just wanted to get it and have a little fun with it. And, you know, see what happens. I'm going to do a little quick installation. And I'll probably make another video of it once I get it installed. And who knows, might drive around town and catch people's reactions and see what they think about it. All right, guys, I'm all the way at the end of the house. The horn is over here on this wall where that battery box is, and I just wanted to show you kind of how loud it is. Here's the next one. Alright, guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. Like I said, I just wanted to kind of give you an idea of how loud this thing is. Now I will say it's nowhere near like air horn loud. You've heard those guys running those big air horns. Yeah, it ain't nowhere near that loud, but it is pretty loud. You know, if you're, you know, let's say you're riding around and you know, you see somebody a few cars, or you know, I don't know, 100, maybe 100 yards, you should be able to hear it no problem. So anyways, it's just a novelty. One thing that, you know, is a con for me on this particular product is it's not waterproof. I wished Boom Blasters would make one that's waterproof. And it said in the directions to take and put a bag over this thing. So yeah, that was kind of a bummer. I'm not real sure where water would get in to hurt this thing, but yeah, that is kind of a bummer. I wished it was waterproof, because truthfully, I don't want to have to put a Walmart bag or a Ziploc bag under the hood of my truck. You know, spend all that money with putting a cold air intake and all these go fast goodies on there. You definitely don't want to have a bag up underneath your hood with a horn in it. So I know you guys are listening, so make sure you make one that's more waterproof. And anyways, I guess that's going to be the end of this video. I'm going to go ahead and install this thing, and like I said, I'll probably make an updated video here in the next week or two and have a little fun with it. And in the meantime, talk to you guys later.